Okay, something amazing. Look at this. Marker update available. So it's probably not very long, but let's just see what this is. Here we go. I'm going to tap on it. And serial number, this is just my pen firmware version. Tap to update firmware. Your marker must be attached for 4 minutes. Okay, I may speed this bit up, guys, just so that you don't have to sit here for 4 minutes, of course. Installing, keep marker attached until update is complete. So here's my marker here. Let me just show you that. I'm sure you can see it though. This is my reMarkable marker. You can see it there. All right, and I will fast forward this. There we go. Voila, here it is. Your marker has been updated. Battery status is 100%. Let me just go in here for a second. Let's have a look at it, shall we? Artful Annie. Yeah, why not? Oops. Oh my gosh, that went off. It's very thin. Oh, so it's reset actually. Let's do really thick. Let's go black. I always like my other one to be the highlighter, and yellow is fine. Oh yeah. That looks pretty normal to me. I'm not sure what was updated. Let's go to C. Red. You always get the latent flicker. That's just part of the whole deal. At the moment anyway, in the current software. Let's go yellow. Yeah, it's working perfectly fine. Green. Yeah, so just to give you a close-up. Yellow, red, that was black, green. Yeah, looks good. Marker's working fine, and of course this is the flat beveled edge that is rounded where the word is, but you can see, let me put it sideways. It's always a little tricky. There it goes. You can see the flat, see that flat edge? That's the flat edge that we pop in there. There's a magnet along here, and it works that way. Anyway, let me just go home. Oh, I just like to have a clean slate. So yes, that's the marker pen. Woohoo! All done. Marker update. Nice and simple.